To begin your account setup in Syncrostore, first ensure that your administrator has sent you an invite to create your account. They should let you know what information they need from you in order to create your account. Once they do, you should receive an email similar to this one within your inbox. Simply click the link. Clicking the link will bring you to this account setup page, where your store ID is automatically entered into this field. Then enter your name. Your email will be automatically entered for you. You may then enter your password, confirm your password, and then click Register. You should receive this message stating that your account has been created successfully. You should then receive an email asking you to confirm your account. You'll simply want to click this link to confirm your account. When you click the link, you should see a thank you for confirming your account, and simply click here to log in. You then proceed to enter your email and password to log in.